Hey Shhanta,
So good.
anong ginagawa mo dito sa Burgos?
Kakain!
May massage service ka dito?
Ito nakakain.
First time ni Shhanta dito
Discrimination.
sa red light district ng
Oo
Pilipinas.
nga, first time ko dito. Nakakainis, babash na naman ako ng mga yan.
Welcome po sa pinakaunang 3 AM challenge ng Duwanta. Actually mga 12 midnight pa lang. Pero nandito kami ngayon sa Burgos, Makati, okay?
Gimmick kami.
Burgos Street is also like the red light district of Manila. So we are eating Korean barbecue in the red light district. Magkano po to?
39.
39.
21.
Yung camera po, magkano po?
You're beautiful, you shine like a star.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Nandito kami ngayon sa Makati. Kasama natin si Babebe, si Sjhanta, and si Greg Hawkins!
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? One more
Yeah!
time. It's been like 6 months.
Our last collab was the English Only Prank, di ba? So sabi niya, diretso tayo dun, tapos akyat tayo sa...
Sisak talaga na.
In fairness, galing mo mag-English.
Grabe si Sabi na chumata ko, ha?
Ang galing mo talaga.
Galing.
This collab's gonna be way more chill.
It will be. So because Greg is part Korean, he's gonna teach us how to eat like a Korean tonight.
Ano, nakalimutan ko na half Korean ka.
What are we doing tonight, Greg?
We're gonna go to a place in Makati. It's really cool. It's not like a super upscale place, so it's a pretty accessible place. Anybody can go there.
Pretty ghetto.
I'd say,
In Makati.
you know, yeah.
Near
well,
Burgos,
no,
right?
let's not get into that.
That's it.
We're gonna go, it's called Samsung, and it's got the best unli pork deal. It's only 400 pesos. They give you noodles, they give you rice, they give you a bunch of stuff.
Nice.
It's gonna be amazing.
Endorser ka ba?
And I'm not gonna say that like you can do it as like a real Korean. All I'm gonna say is you can do it like me,
Nice.
a real Korean American.
a real half Korean.
This is how I like to do it.
Eat like how to eat like a half Korean. Let's
Yeah.
do this. Okay, Sjhanta, nandito na tayo sa Samsung. Saan pala yung Samsung, Greg?
Samsung.
Samsung.
Yeah, I don't know.
How do you pronounce it? You're Korean?
I just say Samsung, but like that's probably totally wrong.
It's the American side of you speaking there.
Annyeong.
Yeah, look at this place, man. This is underground, dude. This place is great.
Yeah, this place
Ghetto
is
ass.
place for unli pork. Yeah.
What do they put here, dude?
They put like a little pan on top,
Yeah.
like a grill, like a flat grill,
Patay.
and they then we cook on top of that.
Dwayne Badunong
Sjhanta, dami kang basher. Dami kang basher sa video mo na 1.8 million, ano?
Ang yabang ng dating.
A slanted grill. Also, all the stuff
So this is where we place the garlic and the kimchi. So as it drains, it collects all the juices.
Ang galing ah. Wow, alam na alam. Galing, may diskarte sa pagluto.
Yeah.
Magulay tayo. Excited ka, bebe?
Oh, tingnan mo.
I've never had this one. This is good. That's good. This one.
Ewan ko sa kan, mag-rice.
Oh.
Ako yun.
Sige, rice din. Ayan, perfect.
Dish your dog, I guess, first.
Alright, here we go. Greg, first bit of Korean food to be cooked for tonight.
It's gonna be so
Yung parang bacon mo. Wow. Excited akong kumain. Grabe. Super excited. My mouth is watering. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this is looking good.
Because you're half Korean, can you speak Korean?
No.
You can't speak Korean?
No.
Not even a little bit?
Not, I mean a little bit.
Like what? What can you say?
I can say like annyeonghaseyo.
In like a thick American accent.
I can say annyeong.
Chincha.
Chincha? What's chincha?
Pianeo. Pianeo.
Si Sjhanta kasi addict sa K-drama, di ba? Kanina
po kayo
nanonood
ng-
siya ng I'm a Robot. Ano?
Manood po kayo ng Beauty Inside. Maganda.
Kainis.
Yung first ko na favorite, yung My Love from the Start. Yung second ko na
Yan.
favorite, yung Beauty Inside. Yung third ko na favorite, Goblin.
Napanood ko din yan, yung yung
Goblin
Goblin,
lang.
di ba?
There'll be a little bit of fat there, oil, so we'll be able to put the kimchi down. It won't stick.
I'm gonna put some in
So
the
Greg
top
puts the
also.
garlic at the bottom of the tray.
I'm gonna put some in the top too, just a little bit. But this one, so it rolls not with the meat also later.
So it rolls across everything, huh?
Yeah,
Galingan.
garlic everywhere.
Kaming tatlo ni Greg at Robin.
Yeah.
Boy band ang peg namin.
Look, we got the white shirts going on.
That's diba? What are we gonna call the boy band?
Yeah, what are we gonna call our boy band?
Greg, Robin,
How about Greg and his friends?
Greg and friends.
I'm just kidding. Stay warm and make the main meat cook in the middle, the meat that's not done yet, where it's less farther.
Dipping it in the sesame oil. Like that. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Nakakapagbaligaya sa tiyan. Grabe.
There's very very few bones and stuff in this meat, which I really like. It's mostly lean.
So ganito yung sinasabi ni Greg, okay? So kunin mo yung garlic, yung bawang. Bawang, okay? Isang piraso o dalawang piraso. I-dip mo dito sa pula. Anong tawag dito sa pulang sauce? Hindi ko alam.
It's like radish sauce.
Radish sauce, okay? And you put that on your lettuce, ha? Your dahon. Okay, lagay mo sa dahon. Tapos, kunin mo yung bonchon dito.
No.
Oh, di ba? Bonchon. Ilagay mo dito sa dahon.
Yeah, throw that in there.
Okay? Pagkatapos niyan, kunin mo yung isang met. Met, okay?
And here, throw the kimchi in there. Throw a piece of kimchi in
Oh,
there.
kimchi as well.
Yeah.
Ooh. All right.
Try it out. It should be, take the bottom one. One of the very bottom.
After the meat, kunin natin yung kimchi na naluto na. Okay,
Throw
ito.
that in there. It'll be a little hot though, so.
Malambot na siya. Okay, lagay natin dito. Tapos, i-wrap natin, ilagay natin dito sa sesame oil sauce. Okay? Tapos kakainin natin.
This beautiful life.
Kumusta ang pagkain din?
Ang sarap. Tumaba na ako.
What do you reckon, Greg? That massage parlor does not look sketchy at all.
Man,
That looks like a legit massage parlor right there, man.
well, it's right next to the college, so you never know, man. Maybe some college students are stressed after their fight.
Magpapamassage ka ba?
Ito nakakainis.
We're trying to say, I'm the Crocodile Hunter.
Exactly.
I'm the Crocodile Hunter with an Australian
Straight away, the
accent.
I'm is off, man.
No, it
I'm
isn't.
is off.
No, it isn't.
I.
Okay, I.
Oh, okay, don't reach so far in the back of your throat. Keep it at the
I.
front. There you go.
I'm
I'm
the.
there you go. I'm the crocodile.
Crocodile.
Oh, that's alright.
Crocodile
Hunter.
Hunter. Crikey.
Crikey.
It's a big one.
Fair dinkum.
It's got my leg.
No.
Crikey, here comes another
Now
one.
you sound British, man.
No, that's Australian. It's
You were
Aussie,
doing
mate.
alright, and then you lost the play.
I'm a bogan from the outback.
Fair dinkum.
What?
Fair
Fair
dinkum.
dinkum.
Fair dinkum.
Fair dinkum.
Yeah, that means really? Like, no way.
Fair
Like,
dinkum.
Yeah, there you go. That's
Really?
it. It's an Australian expression.
Fair dinkum.
Fair.
Cincangnya.
Korean ka dyan.
Piano.
All right, before we go, let us know in the comments below, Australian or American accent?
Oh,
Which is better?
which is sexier? Let it Greg. Thanks, man. Have a good one. Just a note.